This is the Lord Jesus. He is love. And love hurts itself, never hurts the other. That's why he hurt himself. He didn't hurt us, because he is love. He died for us to live. He suffered for us to be comforted. He was lost for us to be found. He went up on the cross naked fully for us to be clothed and to be put out of shame, the shame of nakedness which sin had imposed and afflicted upon us. Jesus accepted every humiliation because he is simply love. This is what love does. When you truly love, you'll do anything and everything for the person you love. You'll go out of your comfort zone and you'll do things you've never done before.